Welcome back and welcome if you are new here. My name is Gifty. Today is my 23 months lock update and I'm taking you down memory lane. So this is how I do my rice water to rinse my hair with rice water. I put a few peels of orange peels in there so that when it's fermented it doesn't smell. I'm also going to put like 2 teaspoons of black rice into it. This is the black rice I'm using. The rice water itself is from white rice, but I'm going to add 2 spoons of that. So I just added the black rice. I'm going to close this up. I'm going to allow this to ferment. Just sit here for the next 24 hours and then I will use that to rinse my hair.